What is up, you guys? It's Luke back at it. Bikes are warming up. I'm out here in Farmington with my boy Gabe. His beautiful Dinah's warming up. We've got audio. Oh no! Oh, you got it. She's still cold. She's still cold. We're letting this beast warm up. Mine as well a little bit. Mine's pretty warm already, but we're going to help my brother Casey move a few things so we can get to ripping today. First off, we're cruising a little bit. We're cruising a little bit farther into Farmington to meet up with my brother Casey and help him load his trailer up with his last few things. Oh yeah. Got my pipe quieted up a little bit. We got the American flag today rolling out back, top propellant. We're gonna start cruising. So one day of the weekend that ain't raining, and we're making the best out of it. So it's a lot of everybody out here. Ooh, nice Ranger. As you can see, everybody's out today. It is Sunday, but it's a busy Sunday. That thing is loud. I filmed a video with Gabe the other day, but my mic was turned off and we lost all the audio. Video, Gabe's gonna let me take a test drive on his Dyna. Oh yeah, I gotta be careful. Moto are not nice. What a gorgeous look back. Come on, Gabe. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, I'm filming right now. You're on it. What's up?
Shut. Like and subscribe.
All right, you guys. Oh no, those 2 water bottles. We just got this loaded up at Casey's. No, there goes one already. He's headed to the store. We're gonna meet him there. We're gonna take a little lunch break. We got the bikes in the shop. We just did a kickstand spin with this thing.
Yeah, with a fucking Harley Dyna.
With the big old Dyna.
I'll fucking start her up in here, dude.
I'm ready to hear it. Oh yeah, let's do it. Chop. Now that sounds good. Let's remember not to kick my flag off. Already done that once before. It's warming up. Wearing t-shirts. Oh, we've been working loading that trailer. This feels so nice. And we're both starving. I love the downhill wheelies. What can I say? Downtown Farmington. Look at these hippies. So much torque. The chassis twisted coming off the line. How we doing, brother? Go, brother Gabe. Yeah, it is lunchtime. I'm starving. Got to get better at slowing our wheelies down. Horses. Oh my God. Starving. Go a little bit slower. Wheelies never hurt nobody. There we go. They liked it. Oh yeah, we were getting back on that one. Dave got us the rollers. Alright, it's almost time for lunch. Those are nice. I'm a Honda guy in the summer, but oh. Oh yeah. Little flyby. I actually want lunch. Let's go back. What a goon. All right, time for lunch. What's up, you guys? We just ate lunch. We're nice and full. Oh yeah. We're about to get these things fired back up. Spin back over to Casey's one last time. Get some of that trailer unloaded so we can hit the road and put some miles on for the day. Brother! Oh, my backpack's getting heavy. Oh yeah. Greasy dirt road. Alright, we're gonna get some of this unloaded. Catch you guys in a minute. We rolling out. Peace out, Cash! Catch you later, bro.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
No problem. Get some of this cock of dirt off my tires. This is where that semi went right down into the brook. Ran out of room. Big old Bubba truck. Old brother's doing some maintenance over there. What a nice day. Alright, you guys, we're rolling into town. We're gonna grab his swimsuit. And I'm gonna save some battery for a second, and I'll catch you guys when we're spinning on some better back roads on the way back. Thank you guys for watching this far. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It goes a long way. We'll catch you guys in a few minutes. All right, y'all. Brother Gabe has been very generous to let me take his beautiful Dyna for a ride. He's gonna get a taste of the Supermoto life. And we're gonna see how I might have to put a brother counter in the video because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stop saying it. All right, ignition. suspension, does it?
What do you mean?
I don't know.
Step back.
I haven't rode it. Yeah, it is a little step. This thing is pretty nice. I like it. I'm gonna do a wheelie. I'm just kidding. There it is.
I did a small wheelie.
It's easier to wheelie in second gear.
Really?
But then you're chasing bounce, then you're getting the bounce point quick, so you gotta be careful.
Watch this. I did a little one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, wheelie man. What's up? What's up? You want one?
Dude, I do. I need to dude, because if I can get comfortable wheeling, dude, oh, it's over.
This thing's a lot of fun, I can't lie. It's
And it's so high for me.
yours is hard to find for me. I like it though, it's fun. I see what you mean about it not being a huge cruiser. It definitely still feels a little sporty, but for the throttle response when you're in neutral compared to when you're driving, it's still got a lot of
Yeah.
it's still got a lot of like,
Dude, I figured what ways to get a better video than an empty parking lot?
right?
Doing wheelies.
Private lot YouTube. What is up, you guys? We're back from our little spin over by Casey's. We got that shit done. We got Colin with us now on his MT-07. We got my shawty behind, rolling in the Jeep. We got the doors off that thing. And we're going to get some ice cream. Going for a little afternoon spin. How we doing? Let's get right into some action. Oh yeah, I like it. I guarantee my tires got no wheel speed right now. There it is. Oh yeah. Something's burning. Got a couple rollers. My boy EO! Yes, Luca! Oh no, we gotta catch back up with the boys. We're getting too excited for the gram. Sorry, boys. Had to get one for the gram. Chasing. What am I doing? Hell yeah, boys. We made it to the ice cream shop. Bunch of hooligans. Sorry if the voiceover was kind of boring there. We were having a lot of fun on that ride. Riding with these goofballs. Good ride, brother. Hell yeah, Gabe, that thing sounds good.
Hell yeah.
Alright, we're gonna get some ice cream. And I'll have a few clips for you guys on the way back. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far. Let me know if you want to see some more of this MT on the channel, and I'll throw a mic in this goober's helmet. Oh no, Lupa, Lupa, Lupa. Now it's right there on the channel. You're exposed.
Like and subscribe, bro.
He said it. Thank you guys. All right, we'll catch you soon. What is up, you guys? We're just getting ready to head back. We're filled up on ice cream. It's been such a great day. I hope you guys enjoy some of the footage of this goon and Colin, who already took off, unfortunately, but we're about to just go for a little spin, run some errands, just go for a little chill ride. Nothing crazy like I ride for you guys. But I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm enjoying making them. Hopefully it'll continue all summer, and you know what? Come winter time, even if it gets cold, you've already seen it. You saw what I showed you earlier.
Yeah, no, we'll keep it going no matter what.
We'll take this Harley and we'll go.
Yeah.
We'll fill this thing with freaking studs.
Let's do it.
And I'll watch you go drift that thing on the ice. Wow, dragging a leg the whole time. All right, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Let's get to it. Like and subscribe.
Hey. All right, you guys. Peace out.